guys, today I'm going to walk you through my YouTube analytics on my channel, The Science Grad School Coach, for November of 2022. And I'm going to show you my QuickBooks profit and loss statement so you can see the income, my expenses, and my profit for November of 2022 as well. So to get started, this is my YouTube studio. I've already gone to my analytics and gone to November here. And you can see that I uploaded 10 videos during the month of November and one short here during the month of November. And you can see overall, I tend to get spikes kind of on days I upload videos. You can see it more clearly over here. And right now I'm uploading 3 videos a week. So I upload Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, where I was just uploading 1 video a week on these 2 over here. So I got 27,000 views this month. I'm up 19% from October. I got 1.2 thousand watch hours, so that's up 24% from October, and 432 subscribers. So this is by far the most subscribers I've ever gotten in a month, and that's up 18% by October. And then the crazy thing was my revenue jumped up. So I got $154.19 from the month of November from AdSense revenue. And so you can check out this video up above, but I showed how much I had made 1 year after hitting 1,000 subscribers, which was October, which I'd only hit like $106. And this month it had jumped up to $154 that we can see here. So I'm going to go into the revenue tab real quick, and I'm going to show you what that really looked like. So you can see during the beginning of the month, really halfway through the month, I was making around $3 a day from my revenue. It would come up and go down, and that has been really consistent on my channel. It's been about $2 to $3 a day. And then in the middle of November, it jumped up to $7, and then it came back down. And then towards the end of November, especially as we were getting towards Black Friday, it started jumping up, and you can actually see my RPM and my CPM both went up. And I think that this is probably going to be temporary. I think this is coming from advertisers putting more money into their end of year ads to go through their budget for this year. So that's honestly why I think this is happening. I would love it if it was here to stay and my RPM and CPM actually did increase, but I have a feeling it's because of just December happening, the holidays, and people wanting to use up their ad budget for the end of the year. So that's what's going on through here, but you can see that there were days I was making $10 or $11. I think I had 3 different days I made over $10, and before this month, I think the highest I had hit was $6 a day. And you can see I'm regularly kind of jumping up above $6 a day towards the end of this month, which was really, really exciting considering going from $106 a month to $154. You can see down here, yeah, October was $106 and November was $154 a month. So that is overall my YouTube analytics. So now let's talk about my profit and loss during the month of November. The screenshots I'm going to pop up here is from QuickBooks. I've just recently actually gotten QuickBooks so I can track my finances so much better. So now I can make these kind of videos for you as well, so you can see all my different income streams and what's happening each month with those different income streams. One thing to note is that this is specifically money that went in and out of my bank account. So I have a business bank account with Bank Novo. If you're interested, I'll leave a link down below for that. But the income and expenses I'm going to share is what specifically hit in November, not what I technically earned. So like that $154 from YouTube AdSense won't get paid out till December, so that won't actually be on the statement. So my number one income stream that I made the most on was my paid product sales. And so this I made $466.56. This is specifically coming from the products that I have on my Kajabi account currently. And I'll put in a screenshot here, but basically the majority of these sales came from my Research Accelerator course. That is a course that really researchers kind of plan and create out their first project. And then my second major course was the Scientific Dissertation Academy. And this was actually an experiment that I ran on my channel. In a couple of videos from now, I'll actually be sharing with you the experiment that was done and everything about that. And then my third most popular product was my literature organization template. So this is a $5 Notion template that people can buy and duplicate to their own Notion board. And so you can see all of that in the graphic here. So then my second highest income stream was YouTube AdSense. So I got paid out $106.89 from last month. So from October, I got paid out in November. I got royalties. This is specifically from Amazon's KDP program. So I self-published a book in 2019 that is related to like being a student. And so that is the money that I got paid out in November for that book. And then my last income stream was Medium payments. So I write on Medium. I'll leave a link below if you're interested in checking out my profile on Medium. But basically, I talk a lot about business, things that I've learned, and things like that. So I got paid out $2.84 that I earned in October was paid out in November. So my total income was $542.99 is the total amount that I earned in my business in November of 2022. So now let's talk about expenses, because that's not the amount that I actually like got paid. I have expenses that come with my business as well. So I have software, which is categorized under office expenses. So this is like TubeBuddy that I own. That came out as my yearly payment in November. Techmatics came out in November. My G Suite, all of those things. So I had to pay $337.40 for the different softwares that I need to run my business. And then for supplies, these are things that typically I get off Amazon. They're things like notebooks, D cards, things like that. I spent $80.51 in the month of November for things like that. So my total expenses for the month of November was $417.91. So ultimately, that means that my net income, my profit for the month of November was $125.08. Now, I do want to clarify that I actually don't personally see any of this money. So I have personally never taken a distribution from my business or paid out to my own personal accounts, mainly because I want to make sure that my business is at the point where it is financially healthy enough that when I start taking money from my business, when I start paying myself for my business, I want to make sure I can continue to pay myself that. So if I paid myself out this $125, that means that there would be no additional in my account for if I don't get paid enough one time to cover my expenses or anything like that. So that's particularly my choice, is to help my business become financially healthy and build up so that I know once I start taking money from my account, I can keep relying on that money. So I hope this helps you if you're developing out your own business to see what's really realistic. I have had my official like LLC business for 2 years now, and I've never personally actually made money from it, but I am to the point now where I am actually profiting on a monthly basis from my business, which is really exciting. Now I'm just waiting for that money to kind of pile up to the point where I can actually start paying myself for all the work I'm putting into my business. If you want to see what I made from 10,000 views on 3 different videos, you can check out this video here, and you can check out all of my YouTube income videos over here as well. If this video was helpful, please like it and subscribe if you want to see my analytics and income reports every single month. And I hope to see you in the next video.